Good morning, class. Tuesday, 7 April 2020, online lesson number 6, Learning Zone, Unit 5, Lesson F, Review, Grammar Zone, Simple Past Tense, Student Workbook, page 68, and Student Book, page 68. We will be using both books today. On page 68 in our student books, we will be reviewing our grammar lesson for Unit 5. In this lesson, we will review simple past tense verbs, and we will take a second look at both regular and irregular verbs and how simple past tense is formed. This is day 2 of our Unit 5 Grammar Zone lesson. After listening, we will do some exercises. Let's begin by having a few definitions that will help us through our lesson today. First, simple past tense. The simple past tense, also called past simple, is a verb tense that is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. In other words, something that we did happened yesterday. It is over and complete. Regular verbs follow rules. We simply add ed or d to the verb to form past simple past tense. The spelling of the verb does not change. Examples: walk, base verb, walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, simple past tense. Explore, base verb, explored, E-X-P-L-O-R-E-D, simple past tense. Irregular verbs do not follow rules. We do not add ed or d. The spelling changes. Examples: have, base verb, had, simple past tense. Drive, base verb, drove, simple past tense. We just have to memorize these irregular verbs. And with practice, they become second nature to us. Okay, let's move on. We can now turn to page 68 in our student books, and here we have lesson F. And let me read over it quickly. Verbs are regular or irregular in the simple past tense. Regular verbs follow patterns or rules. Irregular verbs don't follow patterns or rules. To form the simple past tense of most regular verbs, add ed or d. Explore, explored. Walk, walked. Discover, discovered. To form the simple past tense of irregular verbs, do not add ed or d. The past forms have to be memorized. Have, had, swim, swam, give, gave, go, went. Let's learn a little more about simple past forms. Just to review, the simple past is formed using the verb plus ed or d for regular verbs. There are many irregular past forms which we have spoken about, And I've included a list on the next page of the 15 most common irregular verbs for you to look at and study. Now, questions are made with did and negative forms are made with did not. So, example of a statement, you called Debbie. Called, C-A-L-L-E-D, simple past tense of a regular verb. To form a question, did you call Debbie? To form a negative statement, you did not call Debbie. Okay, now we can just think about this a little bit. This goes beyond our lesson, but it's important for you to understand that there are three forms: statements, questions, and negative statements. Okay, let's move on. Class, here is our list of the 15 most common irregular verbs in past simple tense. I'm not sure I need to read all of these, but I might as well. Say, said. Make, made. Go, went. Take, took. Come, came. Know, knew. Get, got. Give, gave. Find, found. Think, thought. Tell, told. Become, became. Show, showed. Leave, left. Very good. Let's move on. Class, shall we now do some exercises? Please turn to your workbook, page 68, and complete exercises 1, 2, and 3. After you have finished, post your work to me on our messenger page or on your portfolio page in our Dojo classroom. When you have completed the exercises in your book, click on this link and complete the exercise in your notebooks. You will need to write out the exercise. Once again, send to me your completed work so that I can approve it. Okay, class, let's move on to the final page of our presentation today, which will be your homework assignment. For homework tonight, please complete the exercise on page 69 of your workbooks. This is a simple and fun exercise that I hope you enjoy. As always, when finished, please submit your work into your portfolio in our Dojo classroom or send your work to me on our Messenger group page. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.